Hey YouTube people! Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Hollywood mini studio at home. Yes, you heard me right next to your mom's flowery armchair. If you're ready, switch on the lights, grab your coffee, and of course, zoom in on the microphone. Let's start with the camera first. If you say, my phone already shoots 4K, what camera? Yes, you're right. iPhone 13 and above or Samsung's I'm in models will do the job. But if you say, I'm a professional, a mirrorless camera like Sony's ZV-E10 is for you. Remember, the important thing is not the camera, but the face that will make the camera a drama. Sound quality is important because no one will watch a video that sounds like a live broadcast from a diver. Speak into a Rode NT USB or Blue Yeti microphone and you'll sound like you're narrating a Netflix documentary. And yes, feel free to add a dramatic at the end of each sentence. Here we come to the lights. Shooting a video in dim light is like reading a book by candlelight. Romantic, but nothing is visible. Ring lights and softboxes come into play here. Give the light to your face, shoot as if every day is the golden hour. Background? Important. Messy bed? No. Teleport yourself to outer space, the Maldives, or a cafe in Paris with a simple background curtain or green screen. Remember, realism is so 2020. And bonus, soundproofing. So don't let the neighbor's screaming child or the seagull on the street be a guest in your video. Make it like a Netflix studio with foam panels, carpets, and thick curtains. That's it, friends. Now you're ready to set up a mini broadcast studio in your home. If you like it, stick the like. Right, my studio is opening to Mars. In the comments, don't forget to subscribe because more crazy videos are on the way.